To add a menu, you need to click on this arrow next to widgets and select custom menu and drop this element wherever you want the menu to appear on the page. To select a different menu, click on the element and the custom menu options window is opened, and then choose the menu you want to appear on the page. In our case, we still have not created a menu for the twin mattress silo, so let's create the menu for this silo now. To create the menu, go to the WordPress dashboard and select Appearance, Menus, and click on Create a new menu. We'll call this menu Twin Mattress Silo. On this menu, let's have a link to the home page, the About Us page, the Contact Us page, privacy policy, and the twin mattress landing page. Let's add these to the menu. Let us now follow the About Us, Contact Us, and privacy policy pages. These may be sufficient. Linking to too many pages might not look good. Let's save the menu. And now let's insert this menu into the page. Let's delete this menu element, save changes, and let's insert the menu again. We'll now choose Twin Mattress Silo, and the menu appears here. The best places to have the menu would be at the very top or at the very bottom of the page. It might be better to have the menu at the very bottom of the page, as this way it will not potentially distract your visitors. You want everyone who lands on this page to see the comparison table and click on your affiliate links and not get distracted by anything else. So let's put this menu at the very bottom of the page instead. Let's delete this. And let's put the menu here. As you can see, if you are going to be using the Thrive Content Builder plugin, you do not need a separate plugin to control which menu appears on each page. This plugin can handle menus very well. Having mini product reviews can help your visitors know more about the products you are recommending on the page, and these reviews make the content richer. It can also lead to your visitors spending more time on the page, and time on page is an important metric Google looks at. These reviews can make your page look better and increase the value your page provides to your readers. So, let's see how to add these reviews. You would want each of these reviews to be around 150 to 200 words in length. Each review will need to have a product image. I have written short reviews for 3 of the 7 products we have here on the page. You do not need to review every product you are promoting on the page, but it would be good to have reviews for at least a few of these products. Let's add these to the page now. Let's start by adding a content box at the end of the article for the focus keyword. The text has been added. Let me add an image element now. Let me now add a 4-column layout. I'll now add icons to each of these columns. Let me add a star rating to each of these. I'll now add a large button here. That completes adding the first mini product review. Let me add 2 more. To add the second mini product review, you can simply replicate this and change the content. Similarly, I can replicate this and add the third review. You can also have a buy now button here instead and embed your affiliate link, but you would want to take care that you do not exceed more than 10 affiliate links per page. All the product reviews have been added. Let's see how the page looks now. In the next video, we will discuss internal linking.